Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations indoor available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Halloween Decorations Indoor. This bat set comes with adhesive strips. You just place adhesive on the back of the bats where the wings meet in the middle, and affix them to a variety of smooth and dry surfaces. You just need to get new adhesive squares to place on the back of bats again. At number 3 we have Valerie Madeline Halloween Decorations Indoor. The scary Halloween statue has flashing color-changing LED lights with switch on the bottom. This funny Halloween ornament made of durable resin material is well made and anti-fading. At number 2 we have Wanda's Halloween Decorations Indoor. These Halloween flameless pillar candles are made by real wax. It is safer under the premise of keeping the feel and external feel of real candles. You will get 3 Halloween flameless candles with Bats Castle Witch decal. At number 1 we have Lanzian Halloween Decorations Indoor. This horror picture frame is designed for Halloween decoration. The haunted and spooky look will make your family and friends immersed in a terrifying and surprising atmosphere. It is perfect decor for Halloween masquerade parties, haunted houses, school and home. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations indoor for your need.